To set up iOS launcher on POCO M8 Pro 5G, let's start by opening Google Play Store on our device. Next step is to click on the search, then we need to find iOS launcher. So type on the search iOS launcher, and then after a moment you should get many different results. In this case, I'm gonna go for the launcher that is this one, launcher iOS 26. We can install it, and right after that it should install. It doesn't take much space. Now we can open it, and here let's wait a moment until it loads up, and make sure to allow any permissions that it will ask, otherwise it won't work. Now when we have it ready, we'll need to set it as our default launcher. So go back right here to your system, open the settings, scroll down until we find the apps, then go to the three dots in the top right corner of the screen and enter other settings. Select default apps and change the launcher right here to iOS launcher. That way, if we go back to our main system, our phone will get the iOS launcher. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching, and if you like this video, please consider subscribing.